Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. In this video, I decided to create a zombified pilgrim. If you would like to learn how I created this look, then please keep watching. Okay, right here I'm just starting off with the materials to block my eyebrows. When I decided to make this video, I had missed Halloween, so I says, well, why don't I just do something for Thanksgiving? So that's what I'm doing in this video right here. If you would like to see how I block my brows, I'm gonna try to leave a link in the description, but I'm gonna continue here. Right here I'm using my Maybelline Adriwine concealer, and I want to say either ivory or cool ivory, and my setting powder is Midnight Neutral Set. So once I've gotten my brows laid down, then I'm putting on my concealer, and I'm going above my eyebrows because I plan on having my eyeshadow going above my eyebrows. So that's why I was blocking them in the first place, because right now I've smoothed out my concealer, and now I am setting that powder because I'm going to go in with some black gel eyeliner. I'm just going to use a nice fluffy brush and pat it on my eyelids, and I'm trying to stay within the orb of my actual eye socket to make my eyes look a deep set skull-like. Okay, so I'm going to bring out my Mehron basic palette, and it has I want to say 8 shades here. I'm going to be using the black, the white, and the blue because like I'm a zombie and I'm dead. So like I have like, you know, grayish blue cool tone type of skin complexion, and I have my Jeffree Star palette here because it was the only black that has like the blackest black I've ever seen, and it says here it's in Hearst, so I'm going to use that to set my eyes, and then I'm going to smoke that out later. But in the meantime, I'm going to try to work with this palette here, which I found kind of difficult because when you try to mix up shades, like right here, I'm going to try to take a little bit of here and a little bit there, more of the white and a little bit of black and very small amount of the blue, and mix it on a palette. And you have to like really chop it up, and then you have to wet it and re-wet it and keep swirling and swirling to try to get it. It was so difficult. And I didn't want to intermingle shades, which I ended up doing anyway, so that was a complete mess. But right here I'm just showing you me applying the foundation to my skin. That was the first layer, and I'm going with another layer. Well, I did like a couple of layers honestly, but off camera to kind of keep the video short. I had to moisten my sponge here, and I'm doing my highlights, and I'm going to be doing my contour, so you're going to see that in a second. I wouldn't suggest using a line like this. If you're going to use the black, just go ahead and pat it in like you did with the whatchamacallit, because it made like a sharp line, and then I had to blend it out, and it took a minute. So right here, as you can see on my nose, like it kind of lifted a little bit. Just a reminder, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. So now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder and set everything, because I'm going to use eyeshadow to intensify the effect. So that's what you see me doing here. And up next I'm going to go in with my colors so I can add more depth and dimension to my face. Okay, so I'm going to start with the eyes, and I'm trying to blend it the Hearst black, and having a little difficulty around my eyebrows. You kind of like have to stamp it in to get it in between those little hairs and everything. And the death glow here is just like a white. It's just straight up stark white, and I'm using that to highlight the high points of my face and around my mouth and everything. And then right here, this is like the mid-grade shade. I can't see the name. Solemn something. And that's like, it's not black, but it's like somewhere close to black, so it kind of like blends it out, so it's not just one monotone color. That was solemnly swear, sorry. And I got 2 embalmed. I was thinking maybe this would soften the solemnly swear, but I guess it looks okay. Yeah, you can see the Mehron face paint is like it's lifting and everything. I just found that so annoying. But right now I'm going in and I'm crinkling my face, I guess you can say, and working on those lines that are naturally present in my face. And like my nose is running, so like this being a water-based paint, face paint, it like removed it. So can you imagine if you sweat or anything, you're in deep trouble. Maybe I would like to try a different product, you know what I mean? So right here I'm trying to add more of the Mehron face paint in black to kind of like soften those lines. And this here is the Diamond Dust, and I'm going to use MAC Face Fix Plus, sorry, to highlight the high points of my face, like my cheekbones, to make them pop and everything. And then I go into this color here. I can't read the name, but I went into it to kind of like add more dimension, so it's not just gray, black, and like a blue or anything. Yeah, so that's what I thought maybe I should do. So I'm going into my James Charles palette, and I'm going to use this violet and like a red violet color. I can't think of the names right now, but I'm gonna try to leave that in the link down below. And I'm just going to use this on the perimeter of my face, because I saw another video where the lady, she did the zombie look, and these are the colors she said that would work really well. And that's like a really orangey red right here. And I'm just mixing all those shades together to kind of like add some dimension, so it's not so monotone and it actually looks like I'm a zombie. Okay, so right here I was too lazy to go find my sharpener, but this is the NYX jumbo pencil in milk. And had I been able to use it straight from the tube, I would have gotten more coverage. Just lining my eyes, because I'm going to add a red in between there. That was the red that I used previously to like bronze up my face or whatever. It would have been a lot more pigmented than this, but it is what it is. So I went in with my mascara to darken my eyelashes, because they have like white dust all over them and everything. And I'm going back in with that red again, and I'm going around my the exterior of my eyes and things like that, so it's not just you know, monotone. And as you can see, like my nose is running, so like it lifted again. And here I am. I'm picking off the wedge, and I'm going to use this in my eyeliner, my blackest black eyeliner, to darken up my lips and everything. And like I'm fading it out so that it's like it's not so neat. And I'm setting that with that that Hearst from Jeffree Star's palette, cremated palette. And I'm going in with those same grays and blacks and things like that to try to like make it look like a really big mess. And right here I'm trying to add more color, and it's not really working too well, because like I said, it is a water-based paint, so it's not really adhering as well as I would have liked. So right here I'm just setting all of that and adding the red and the red violet that I did with the James Charles palette, so everything kind of like marries. I don't know if you can see by my eyebrows, they kind of like clung to my my brows. Okay, right here I'm using the Tooth FX, and I was trying to get the, well, I got the yellow is, well, you have to dry your teeth first before you apply it. And I don't think I like this stuff very much, because like if it gets on your lips, it actually burns. So this is the yellow, and it's a nicotine. So like, you know, for people who are smokers and everything, supposed to make it look like that. And then I was trying to let it dry, which is not easy. And then I was trying to go, I went in for a second layer. You know, and you actually swallow some of this stuff and it's like chips of it. It's disgusting. And then the black for like zombies and stuff. So I'm trying to go in between my teeth. Actually, it was pretty easy to remove. You just brush your teeth. So I'm trying to fan my mouth so that it'll dry and I won't have to worry about it rubbing off anything, which I was only able to do my front few teeth. Okay, so now for the big reveal. Okay, here I am, a zombie. I'm gonna turn around and scare you, okay? Okay, so I really had fun doing this video. I got to try something new and different. I've never dressed up as a zombie before, and a pilgrim zombie at that, just in time for Thanksgiving. What more can you ask for, you know? There's a lot of things I would like to improve, but I guess, you know, it's trial and error, you know? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.